We all want to stay youthful and healthy, but missing certain vitamins can make you look and feel older than you are. Today we'll reveal 5 essential vitamins, A, C, E, D, and B12, that support healthy skin and aging. Lacking these key nutrients can accelerate wrinkles, fatigue, and other signs of aging, but don't worry, we'll show you how to fix it. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider about your nutritional needs or before starting supplements. From skin health to energy levels, these vitamins play vital roles. Let's explore each one, how they keep you youthful, what happens if you're deficient, and how much you need. Stay tuned, because simply tweaking your vitamin intake could make a big difference in how you age. Vitamin A is often called the skin vitamin, and for good reason. Your body needs vitamin A for the growth and repair of skin cells, helping to maintain a smooth, youthful complexion. In fact, normal skin cell turnover relies on vitamin A, and it's a potent antioxidant in its provitamin form, beta-carotene, that helps neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from oxidative damage. Fun fact, dermatologists have long used vitamin A derivatives, retinoids, in creams to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, a testament to vitamin A's anti-aging power. But what happens if you don't get enough vitamin A? Deficiency in vitamin A can show up on your skin and in your vision. One telltale sign is dry, rough skin. Vitamin A deficiency can cause scaly, flaky skin and even hair dryness, which can make your skin look older. You might also experience night blindness, trouble seeing in low light, as an early symptom, since vitamin A is crucial for healthy vision. Clearly, lacking vitamin A ages you from the inside out. Your skin loses its glow and your immune system weakens, opening the door to illnesses. So how much vitamin A do you need to stay in the healthy range? According to the National Institutes of Health, most adult women need about 700 micrograms Ra, retinol activity equivalents of vitamin A per day, and men about 900 micrograms Ra per day. Ra is a measure that accounts for different forms of vitamin A. For context, that's roughly the amount in a half cup of cooked carrots. You can get vitamin A naturally from colorful fruits and veggies like carrots, sweet potatoes, mangoes, and spinach, as well as animal products like eggs, dairy, and liver. These foods provide either preformed vitamin A, retinol, or provitamin A carotenoids, which your body converts to retinol. If your diet is lacking, supplements can help. Common forms are retinol palmitate or retinol acetate, preformed vitamin A, and beta-carotene, provitamin A. Beta-carotene is a particularly safe form because your body only converts what it needs to active vitamin A, avoiding overload. With vitamin A, more is not better. Because it's fat-soluble, excess amounts can build up and become toxic. High doses of preformed vitamin A from supplements may cause side effects like bone pain, nausea, or liver damage. The safe upper limit is 3,000 micrograms per day. Regularly exceeding that can lead to bone loss or interference with vitamin D. Always check your multivitamin to avoid unintentional overdosing. In short, vitamin A helps keep skin youthful and vision sharp. Get it from a balanced diet or moderate supplements. Your body and skin will thank you. Vitamin C is a superstar for anti-aging. It's essential for glowing skin, wound healing, and immune defense. Why? Vitamin C enables your body to produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and elastic. Collagen is basically the scaffolding of your skin. Without enough vitamin C, that scaffolding starts to break down. In fact, normal skin contains high concentrations of vitamin C because it's needed to stimulate collagen synthesis and to protect the skin from UV damage as an antioxidant. This means adequate vitamin C helps maintain youthful skin structure, fewer wrinkles and sagging, and protects your skin cells from free radical damage caused by sun exposure or pollution. Quick reminder, everyone's health is different. We're sharing general information, not personal medical advice. Always check with your doctor. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant throughout the body, helping to neutralize free radicals before they can age our cells. It even recharges other antioxidants like vitamin E, working together to guard your cells from oxidative stress. And beyond skin-deep benefits, vitamin C supports your immune system, helps make neurotransmitters, and improves iron absorption, all crucial for feeling vibrant as you age. Now, what if you're missing vitamin C? A severe lack causes scurvy, a disease once infamous among sailors. Scurvy is essentially accelerated aging in action. Without vitamin C, your body can't form collagen properly, leading to weak connective tissues. Early deficiency signs include fatigue, irritability, and joint pain. As it worsens, you might see bruising easily, dry, rough skin with bumpy corkscrew hairs, and swollen, bleeding gums that can even lead to tooth loss. Wounds heal slowly, and tiny blood vessels break, causing pinpoint hemorrhages on the skin. You could also develop anemia and weakness. In short, a person with scurvy looks and feels much older, with sallow skin, gum disease, and exhaustion. These are dramatic symptoms, but even a milder vitamin C insufficiency can mean duller skin, more frequent bruising, and slower recovery from injuries, things that definitely make you feel aged. The good news is that vitamin C deficiency is easy to fix and relatively uncommon if you eat fruits and veggies. Most adults need about 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day. That's roughly the amount in one orange or a cup of strawberries. Even mild deficiency can leave you feeling low, so aiming for the recommended amount is important. You can get your daily vitamin C from a variety of foods, like citrus fruits, strawberries and papaya, bell peppers and broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and tomatoes. Since vitamin C is water-soluble and not stored in the body, it's important to consume it regularly through diet. If your intake is low, supplements can help. The most common form is ascorbic acid, found in capsules, chewables, and powders. Some versions, like calcium ascorbate, are buffered to be gentler on the stomach, but all forms deliver the same essential vitamin C. Vitamin C supplements are generally very safe. Your body uses what it needs and eliminates the rest through urine. However, very high doses, over 2,000 milligrams a day, can cause side effects like diarrhea, cramps, or even kidney stones in some people. Megadosing won't erase wrinkles or prevent colds. Once your body has enough, more doesn't add benefit. Stick to moderate, consistent intake. In short, vitamin C boosts collagen, protects skin from damage, and supports blood vessels, bones, and immunity. Get your daily C. Your skin, gums, and energy will thank you. Vitamin E is another anti-aging ally, known as a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells. Think of vitamin E as a shield for your cell membranes. It neutralizes free radicals that can otherwise damage cells and accelerate aging. This includes protecting the skin as well as our eyes, brain, and heart. In fact, vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin and eyes and supports the immune system's defenses. It resides in our cell membranes, which are fatty structures, and prevents those fats from going rancid or oxidizing. By doing so, vitamin E helps keep skin cells plump and functional, potentially reducing UV damage and inflammation that contribute to wrinkles and aging skin. If you're low on vitamin E, your cells become more vulnerable to damage. Signs of severe deficiency include tingling or numbness, muscle weakness, balance problems, and vision issues from retinal damage. Low E can also weaken your immune system, increasing infection risk. Even a moderate lack of vitamin E may reduce cellular protection, leading to oxidative stress and contributing to premature aging, even if the symptoms aren't immediately obvious. If you suspect you're not getting enough E, how much should you aim for? The recommended amount for adults is 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day. That's equivalent to about 22 international units if it's the natural form. You can hit this target by eating vitamin E-rich foods. Nuts and seeds are superstars. Just a small handful of almonds or sunflower seeds covers a big chunk of your daily E. Plant-based oils like sunflower, safflower, wheat germ, and olive oil are great sources. Green leafy veggies like spinach and broccoli contribute some too. Most people with a balanced diet do get enough vitamin E since it's found in so many foods. If you need a vitamin E supplement, such as with certain medical conditions or low-fat diets, common forms include D-alpha tocopherol, natural, and DL-alpha tocopherol, synthetic. Most supplements offer 100 to 400 international units, but more is not always better. High doses haven't shown clear anti-aging benefits and may even pose risks. Some studies link long-term high-dose vitamin E, 400 IU or more daily, to increased risk of mortality, stroke, or prostate cancer. While research continues, it's safest to avoid mega doses without a doctor's guidance. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, your body can store it, and taking more than 1,000 milligrams daily may lead to blood clotting issues or hemorrhage. That's why the upper limit is set at 1,000 milligrams to stay safe. If you take supplements, especially with blood thinners or health conditions, stick to moderate doses and consult your doctor. In short, vitamin E protects your cells from oxidative damage. Aim for 15 milligrams daily through food or a standard multivitamin to keep your skin, nerves, and heart healthier and support graceful aging from within. Vitamin D is famous as the sunshine vitamin. Your skin makes it when exposed to sunlight, and it's absolutely crucial for healthy aging, particularly for your bones, muscles, and immune system. Vitamin D acts like a hormone in the body. One of its main jobs is to help you absorb calcium and phosphorus, which keeps your bones strong. Without enough vitamin D, calcium from your diet can't be absorbed well, and your body may start leaching calcium from your bones. Over time, this leads to thin, brittle bones that are prone to fractures. In adults, it causes osteomalacia or soft bones and contributes to osteoporosis, increasing the risk of fractures. If you're low in vitamin D, you might literally feel it in your bones. Bone pain and lower back pain can be symptoms of deficiency, as can muscle aches or weakness. Vitamin D does more than support bones. It's vital for muscle strength, nerve function, and immune health. If you feel sluggish or low in winter, a vitamin D deficiency could be part of the reason. It can cause muscle cramps, weakness, and increase the risk of falls, especially in older adults who may become frail and more prone to infections. Signs of low D are often subtle fatigue, aches, low mood, hair loss, slow wound healing, or getting sick often. In severe cases, symptoms may include bone pain, trouble with stairs, or cognitive changes. Blood tests showing low 25 OHHD confirm deficiency. With 1 billion people globally and 35% of US adults mildly deficient, it's crucial to get enough vitamin D to avoid accelerated aging. Most adults need about 600 IU or 15 micrograms of vitamin D daily, while those over 70 need around 800 IU or 20 micrograms, assuming limited sun exposure. While sunlight helps your skin produce vitamin D, factors like season, latitude, skin tone, and sunscreen use can limit this. During winter, or if you're mostly indoors, it's important to rely on diet and supplements to meet your needs. Vitamin D is naturally found in few foods, mainly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines. Egg yolks and cod liver oil provide small amounts. Because it's hard to meet the 600 to 800 IU daily requirement through food alone, many products like milk, plant-based milks, yogurt, orange juice, and cereals are fortified. Supplements are common, especially for those at risk of deficiency, including older adults and people with darker skin or low sun exposure. The two main types are vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol and vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol. D3 is the same form your skin makes from sun and is typically more effective. Too much can cause toxicity, known as hypervitaminosis D, leading to high calcium levels, nausea, kidney stones, or organ damage. The safe upper limit for adults is 4,000 IU or 100 micrograms daily. Higher doses should only be taken under medical supervision. The goal is balance. Get enough vitamin D to support your bones, mood, and immunity, but avoid going overboard. If unsure, a simple blood test can guide you. Combine safe sun exposure, D-rich foods, and supplements wisely. It's a key step to staying strong, mobile, and energized as you age. This video is meant to educate, not to diagnose, treat, or replace advice from a medical professional. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or major dietary change. Last but definitely not least, vitamin B12. If you've ever felt unusually tired or mentally foggy, a B12 deficiency might be to blame. It's essential for energy, brain function, and red blood cell production, truly a vitality vitamin. B12 helps carry oxygen throughout your body, supports DNA synthesis, and maintains the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves that keeps signals sharp and efficient. In short, it keeps your brain focused, your nerves responsive, and prevents fatigue-inducing anemia. As we age, B12 becomes even more critical. Unfortunately, absorption tends to decline with age, especially as stomach acid and intrinsic factor, both needed for B12 uptake, naturally decrease. Certain medications like metformin or long-term antacids, and health conditions like pernicious anemia or GI surgeries, can also impair absorption. And for vegans or strict vegetarians, B12 is a concern, since it's found mainly in animal products or fortified foods. So how do you know if you're low? Deficiency signs often creep in gradually and are mistaken for aging. Common symptoms include persistent fatigue, weakness, and pale or slightly yellowish skin from megaloblastic anemia. Nerve-related signs are even more telling, like numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, balance issues, or trouble walking. You might also notice a smooth tongue, mouth ulcers, or even mood and memory issues. In older adults, undiagnosed B12 deficiency can mimic dementia, causing confusion and forgetfulness, and if left untreated, these effects can become permanent. Lacking B12 can make you feel older, tired, off balance, and mentally foggy. Don't wait for symptoms to get worse. Adults need about 2.4 micrograms daily, a small but vital amount your cells depend on. B12 is found in fish, meats, eggs, dairy, and fortified foods like cereals and plant milks, especially important for vegetarians and vegans. If your intake or absorption is low, supplements are effective and widely available. Vitamin B12 is water-soluble, so excess amounts are safely flushed out in urine, making B12 supplements generally very safe, even at high doses. While mild side effects like headache or nausea are rare, megadoses aren't necessary unless prescribed by a doctor. If a deficiency is suspected, testing is recommended. Most B12 or B-complex supplements provide several hundred micrograms, which is safe and beneficial, especially for older adults. Taking B12 with meals helps absorption, and addressing digestive issues like low stomach acid may also support better uptake. B12 plays a key role in keeping blood and nerves healthy. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and mental fog, making you feel older than you are. The daily recommended intake is 2.4 micrograms, and most multivitamins provide more than enough. Those over 60, vegans, or individuals with certain conditions should speak with a doctor about testing and supplementing. Replenishing B12 can quickly restore energy, sharpen focus, and relieve nerve symptoms, making it one of the most effective anti-aging interventions. If you're low in any of these key vitamins, you may be aging faster than expected, feeling more tired, looking older, and developing health issues earlier than usual. The good news? These deficiencies are usually easy to fix. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, proteins, and fortified foods can help. In some cases, especially for vitamin D or B12, vitamins are one piece of the puzzle. Other habits, like not smoking, using sunscreen to protect skin externally, exercising, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, all contribute to slower aging. Vitamins alone can't magic away wrinkles or grey hair. Everyone's needs are different, so if you're concerned about aging or potential vitamin deficiencies, consult a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice, run tests like for vitamin D or B12, and recommend appropriate supplement dosages. This video is for informational purposes only, not medical advice. Always speak with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making major changes to your supplement routine. Eat well, stay nourished, and you'll age well. Thanks for joining us in this deep dive into anti-aging vitamins. If you found this information helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Here's to a healthy, vibrant you at any age. Take care and see you in the next video.